Hello, my name is Mr. Kamchan. Work in Paris. I have to ask some question. Excuse me, can I share any idea with you?
Yes, you can share idea with me
Why did you come to Laos?
because Laos is World Heritage City.
Mhm. What are you doing in Laos?
I visit my best friend.
How is the weather in Laos?
The weather is good in the morning and the evening, but I don't like in the afternoon because it's hot.
That's great. Did you enjoy with Laos?
Yes, I did.
How long have you lived here?
I live here 2 weeks.
Where did you live before here?
Before I lived in France.
Have you ever tried Laotian food?
Yes, I have.
What is special about Laos?
Special is Laos is culture, Laotian are interesting.
Which country first you have to visit?
The country first I have to visit is Luang Prabang.
That's good. How many days did you come to Laos?
I come Laos 14 days.
Okay. What is the next country you will visit?
The next country I will to visit Xianghuang.
Xinjiang province. Okay. Do you know what are there interesting in there?
Yes, I do. There are interesting in here are Pussy Mountain,
Fuji Mountain.
Xiang Tong Temple, Guangxi Waterfall.
Fuji Waterfall. Okay. Would you like to live here?
Yes, I would like to live here.
When will you turn back to Laos again?
I will come back to Laos again on next year.
Okay, that's good. Thank you very much. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.